Hey everyone, Shraddha here. So I have written one article on LinkedIn based on alt text on Instagram. See, if you are going to post any image post, if you can see this post, this is an image post, right? So you can see it right here. Okay, even this. So this is an image post. So if you are say posting any image post, make sure to write caption nicely and also do add alt text in your image post. Okay, the benefit of doing this is not only to attract good audience on Instagram, but also if somebody is searching some keyword or maybe long tail keyword that matches your description part or say caption part of your post or maybe your alt text, so this is going to get ranked on Google. So I am just showing you one live example of this same post. You can read the caption: a tragic incident unfolded in the Pin village, Yamaithin Township, Mandalaya region, Myanmar, as a heroic father lost his life in a flood while saving his 1-year-old daughter. Okay, now you can see the catch of this post. The main thing is you can see one girl, you can see two hands, that is like they are saying he's a father of this daughter, of his daughter. Okay, you can see it right here. So the main catch of this post is a father is saving his daughter and he has lost his life. Okay, so now if I want to search something like this, you can see this. I am searching this: a father lost his life while saving 1-year-old daughter. I have not written this Myanmar, you can see it right here, or even Mandalay region, Myanmar. I have not written anything like this. I have just written this much. Okay, even if I write this, a father lost his life, then Myanmar, then also I think we can get this. Okay, let's check this. Now here you'll get multiple, but just go to find most relevant results and to understand the ranking part of your post, go to image portion, and if you have posted any video, then go to video portion, and if it is an image, then go to image portion. As it is an image, you can see first ranking right here. Okay, so I hope you remember that when we swipe it, third number post, it's the same photo like this. So you can see it right here. And even, but you can, okay, here you can read the page name is She the People. So it's not the same page like this. You can see it's like SE Asia, then news. But 1 2, okay, this post you can see. Okay, it's the same. You can see Instagram right here, and then you can see this C Asia news or SE Asia, I don't know the exact name of this page, and then you can read it. Now you can see the meta description of this image that has been ranked. Okay, just click on the image and see this: a tragic incident unfolded in the Pi. So you can see it right here. Now we can either go through Chrome or we can visit Instagram. It's up to us. This is just one part. Okay, so you can see it right. Okay, so there will be like whatever content you have posted, if it is very nicely posted, suppose if you have used your alt text, then you have written all like very nice caption, detailed manner related to the post, and also you have put some caption, then your content is going to rank on Google for sure. Yeah, so just take care of this. So here yeah, just do this. Here you can see this. I have shared you this like live example also. Just try it whenever you are going to post anything, any image, and you want to get good impression on your image. Make sure to use some keywords that are very much common or that people normally used to search on Google, or you can think of it this way, that try to cover these kind of topics. If you are a content creator, try to cover these kind of topics that are very much, say a lot of people used to search on Google on when it comes to search engine. So you can just understand that suppose if I'm going to write digital marketing, so when you will write digital marketing, then you can see some suggested keywords. So it's nothing but the more number of people is like looking for the keyword, the more number of that particular keyword is going to come in suggested suggested say section. Okay, so just to take care of it, and also you can focus on this. So yeah, just stay tuned. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share, and if you want me to comment the end topic, just let me know. I will be covering that topic too. Stay tuned. Bye bye and take care.